Welcome back, beauty crew, and if you're new, hello. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this pretty pastel purple look for the springtime. Let's get started. So first I'm going to add that cherry blossom and ombre that down to the clear nail tip, and just making sure that the nail bed is fully opaque. Alright, so after we have that ombre to our liking, we are going to add in the fun stuff. So right here I'm just taking some silver foil, then I'm going to take some dried out rose petals. This is more of like a purplish kind of rose petal color. I thought it was super cute. I love pastels. I love the pretty purples and the blues. I'm so ready for Easter. But anyways, you're just gonna do that, add those to your liking. I'm also gonna add in some silver butterflies that I got off of Etsy in here. And then once we're done with placing those all around, we're going to encapsulate the entire nail. Now, I don't know if you can see that the flower is kind of poking out a little bit. So if that happens to you, just go ahead and take your scissors, make sure you clean them off afterwards, and just take off that little part, pat it out, and keep encapsulating. Because I know sometimes we'll get so focused on trying to cover that part, it'll just bulk up that nail, and then it's a pain in the butt to file afterwards. So if any of that happens to you with glitter, with flowers, with anything, just take your scissors, chop it up a little bit if you have to, and just kind of make it fit. That way you don't have to keep adding layers and layers of clear acrylic to encapsulate it. So after we're done encapsulating that nail, let's move on to our other accent nail for the middle finger. And for this one, we're gonna take Cover Pink as our base, and we're just gonna apply that Cover Pink on the entire nail. And then after that, we're going to go in with Fantasy Nails Morado, which is purple, and we're going to add that on top because it's gonna give us like a different kind of marbly with just different layers of color, because that Fantasy Nails acrylic, it's not the greatest colored acrylic. It does marble a little bit, so it looks really kind of cool over the pink. So let's just go ahead, do the pink over this nail, and then we'll add that purple. Now here we are going in with that purple acrylic, and as you can see, it does marble up a little bit, but it's okay because over that pink, it kind of makes it look like a fluorescent-y, like neonish kind of purplish pink. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's gonna look super good with the glitter over it. We're gonna be using Dirty Sprite from Nail Heaven Supply. I am in love, and I know you've seen every TikTok video and Instagram video about everyone using it because it's that beautiful. So we're just gonna keep adding up this purple, and then we'll add that Dirty Sprite glitter on top. And now we add the dirty Sprite. I love how beautiful and shiny it is. It's so dimensional. There's yellows, there's purples, there's like blues in here. I love the iridescent colors, and it looks good honestly over any color, but over this purple it just shines so well. I love the dimension, and I think it's gonna look even better with top coat. But look how pretty that glitter is. I love iridescent and opal glitters. I think they are so pretty. They add so much dimension. I am so excited on how this is coming out. So let's go ahead and encapsulate this entire nail. After that, we will file, shape, and buff and come back with the reveal. So before we do the grand reveal and add the top coat, I'm just going to clean up Liza's fingers a little bit because she's a little dusty. But I'm just going to use alcohol to clean her off, and then we are going to stick those back in and do the top coat. And now it's time for the top coat. I am so happy with how these came out. I am excited for springtime and pastels. I don't know about you, but I was a little over the reds and pinks, not gonna lie. So I'm so ready for the pastel greens, the blues, the yellows, the 3D flowers, any kind of flowers. I'm ready. I'm excited. But look at how beautiful that came out. I am in love. So let's do the glitter next. I honestly love this. Look at the dimensions and the different colors it has, and yeah. Everything about these two nails are so perfect to me. I really do have to give myself a pat on the back for these. Even my fiance was in love. And don't get me wrong, he is very supportive and he likes everything I do, but he was in love with these two nails, okay? In love. Look at the dimension, the marble, like, I am very happy with these two. Oh yeah, I'm just super happy with how these came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, Beauty Crew. I love you. Bye.